Nowadays everybody is connecting the dots of data center, like they understood that data center or this AI is not just about chip stock anymore. It's like, to have a AI or the data center to run, you need massive infrastructure. It's not only the chips or semiconductor, you also require electricity, you require a cooling industry, you also require energy renewable like sector, and also water sectors, everything. So now people have understood and they are connecting all the dots. It's not just about chips anymore, so you require huge different sectors to run this new theme which is buzzing right now, that is data center. Okay, so as we all know that everybody is excited about AI and data centers, and they start buying expensive technology stocks or the chips, but they forget one huge physical problem, that is a data center can never shut down or can never go off. If this happens, if the electricity shuts down, a billions of rupees of data can crash instantly. So no, so none of the companies wants to, like, to happen that. So what they do, they want to have a backup power, which is one of the most important sectors to track right now. You have many such companies like backup power companies. You have Kirloskar Oil Engine, Cummins India, you have TD Power Systems, you have Hitachi Energy, and many more. So now the most big news the in the stock market is buzzing right now is Kirloskar has broken that monopoly. Like for decades, a company called Cummins India completely dominated this space, owning over 80% of the market share because big data centers only trusted Cummins India. But recently, Kirloskar Oil Engine shocked the market by winning a massive order to supply backup power for a giant data center network, that is Hypernest. Hypernest gave them a large order deal for the Kirloskar Oil Engine, because now these companies trust Kirloskar Oil Engine, and in future the Kirloskar Oil Engine can get better new clients, uh, like, and the you can see the revenue shooting up. So this news was so big that Kirloskar stock price instantly jumped 20% upper circuit in one day. It proved Kirloskar can now beat the market leader. So to simply understand this, 96 units of 2500 kilowatt ampere matters. So let me explain in simple. The contract states Kirloskar will supply 96 units of their advanced engines. What is this 2500 kilowatt ampere? It is a giant industrial engine. Just one of these can power nearly 2000 homes. It creates about 2 megawatts of power. Why 96 units? If you multiply 96 engines by 2 megawatt each, you get 192 megawatt of total power. That is enough to power a small city. The safety net. They use 96 smaller engines instead of one giant machine. So they have backups. If a few engines need servicing, the others keep running. The data center never goes dark. So Kirloskar Oil Engine has found such solution that the world has to come to Kirloskar Oil Engine to buy their backup power, because it will never go off, because they have other engines keep running if one goes for servicing. So now the secret weapon is dual core tech. Kirloskar own this deal because of their patented OptiPrime dual core technology. See, instead of one bulky engine, they fit now two smaller, smarter power cores into one box. Now, this saves 20% of floor space. In a data center, space is incredibly expensive. Saving space on generators means the owner can fit more profitable AI computer servers in the building. So, what is the investor takeaway here is Kirloskar is no longer just an old school engine maker. By winning this deal, they have entered the highly profitable AI infrastructure boom, which is why big institutional investors and mutual funds are rushing to buy the stock. Before, the Kirloskar oil engine was catering to the needs of the real estate, for the industrial sector, the defense, the marine navy ships, etc. But now they're also catering to the requirements of the AI and the data centers. So this is a big news, and they have got a massive order deal, which you can see in upcoming the revenue shooting up, shooting up, and hope they get huge new clients, new orders, so that the stock can do like give a good massive returns to their shareholders. So keep researching such stocks, keep finding more such information about this data center new theme which is buzzing on and for the next decade, and keep finding out such big stocks like doing massive thing in India. So yeah, so we will figure out some new stocks where where the like where the market is loving it. Till then, see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.